Hi, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone is doing fine. I guess I look like a hot mess. It is hot here in this unpredictable Washington, D.C. area. It is in the 80s and I refuse to turn on my air conditioner in the wintertime. Anyway, you guys know that I like seafood, so I'm going to try to do my oysters in the air fryer. So come on, let's do this together. Okay. All right, I have my oysters here. I'm going to, I like to go through my oysters and always check to see if they have any shells or anything. I'm going to beat up an egg. And I'm going to try this Zatarain's fish fry. It says crispy southern. So since it's crispy southern, it's probably got cornmeal, because I know my mother always fried her fish with cornmeal. Anyway, so let me get this all set up. Be right back. Okay, I put a beaten egg into my oysters. I put the my fish fry breading in. It's a fair amount, not a whole lot. So now I'm going to get the oysters over into this my little breading container. Now mind you, this is not the way I normally do my oysters. My mother always did something like, I guess it would be called something like, they're battered oysters, so it would be like oyster fritters, I suppose. They're so good. All right, so let's get this. Oh, they look pretty good. I think I could use some more breading. Okay, let's try this. Okay, much better. All right, let's get these into the air fryer. Okay, I got my oysters in the air fryer. I'm going to spray them. You can use any kind of spray you want. I'm going to use coconut, some kind of coconut spray. Okay. Now over to the air fryer. Okay, I preheated my air fryer. I'm turning it on, set it at 400, and I'm going to check it back in 5 minutes. I'll set it for 8 just in case. Alright, so I'll check it in 5. Shouldn't take them too long. Be right back. Okay, so this is the way it looks after 5 minutes. I'm going to flip these over and maybe go for another, maybe another 3 minutes or so. So I'll be right back and I'll let you know the actual time. These are some fat oysters, so I want to make sure they're nice and crispy. Be right back. Here are the oysters. Don't they look good? And you can tell they're nice and crispy. See? Nice and crispy. I did a total cook time of 8 minutes. Here again, that will all depend on the size of your oysters. Mine were relatively fat, so a longer cook time. Anyway, so let's give it a taste. Look here, guys. I'm pretty happy. I have my oysters. Now, like I said, I love seafood. Okay, and I got my tartar sauce and a little lemon if you want to squirt a little lemon on them. Oh wow. I like the breading just right. Just right. Feel the crunch? this is a wrap. Okay. I'm gonna try to fix my plate. Fix me a Caesar salad and my oysters. I just don't have the cheddar bay biscuits. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. So now you know how to do your oysters in the air fryer, and that breading. That's a winner. It's got the cornmeal in it. That is a winner. So guys, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Hunchovb BB is out.